What's going on, man? We back again with another one of them ones. So this car just came back with a low tire light. So let me take y'all in the car and show y'all what I'm talking about real quick. Yo, so look, it came in, the tire light ain't even on, but I just happen to be going through all of these settings on the car. So I just be needing to know, man, that everything is straight. And I got to the tire pressures and I looked. 36, that's roundabout right. 38, I can see that. 40, we could take a little bit of air out of that. But 23, that don't sit well with me. We gotta check it out. So in a case like this, man, what we gonna instantly do is, we gotta check that tire ourselves to just make sure that everything is cool before we send this car back out. So it says 23 on the dash. The first thing I do is just grab my tire gauge real quick and we gotta check it to make sure, because maybe that's a false read on the dashboard. Maybe it's not, maybe it is. But what you do first is you get your tire pressure gauge, you gotta go check it out, man. Let's see, man. Let's see. I see right off the bat. I don't know if y'all see it. So basically the dashboard is reading correctly. No worries. When it's like this though, man, you gotta be honest with yourself. I know for a fact I didn't send this car off with no low tire like that. I check everything before I send it out. So I know for a fact, just off of me and how I operate, it's probably something stuck in this tire. A bent rim, a messed up stem. It's something going on with this tire that's releasing air. 23, that's entirely too low to just let it pass like it ain't nothing going on. So I could just throw some air in it and let it go. That's bad business as well, you know? So we gotta make sure we check it out. We gotta really take this tire off and check it out. So yeah, we're finna get dirty. Let me find my tire kit. I got it hid back here. So this tire kit, I got it off of Amazon, man. It's a repair kit. It's for plugging tires. Got everything you need inside of it to plug the tire. Finna grab my jack the car up, see if we can get that tire off. My jack in place, man. I know where I'm gonna jack it up at. But first and foremost, we gotta go grab you something to put behind the tire, man. So this car won't roll on you. Hey, now that we got the jack over here, man, we gotta make sure we put it in the right, correct spot, man. Don't put it on nothing soft, no floorboards, nothing like that. Make sure you put it on the frame. Make sure you put it on the frame. I done jacked up so many Impalas. I know exactly where to put it. Hey, you don't need to jack the car up real high either, man. You just need to get it enough to where the tire can spin. You can take the tire off. Got my 21 millimeter, my impact gun from Harvard. We're gonna take them bolts off. Set them to the side. Sir, that was real time too. Get that tire up off there. Let's get this tire over there, man, so we can see what's going on. So what we looking for, we got a little solution right here. We got soap and water already in it, so we looking for bubbles to arise. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna put some more air in this first, because it was low to begin with. Let me put some more air in here. You're gonna air this boy up to make sure you got enough pressure in it, period. Ain't a certain amount of air pressure that you want, but you just want enough to where when you put that water and that soap on there, the air is actually trying to escape the tire. So you can see exactly where it at vividly, you know? Tear this boy up a lot. We got our repair kit laid out, ready to rock. That should be about good, man. Should be about good. Now let's see. I see it already. I'm gonna try to hold the tire, but I think I see it already, y'all. Like I said, this is soap and water, man. It's gonna make it, what it's gonna do is it's gonna bubble up like that. That's the air actually creating bubbles with this soap and this water. That's where our hole is. But I'm gonna check the entire tire because it's already off. I'm gonna check. Maybe there's some more in there somewhere else. We know we got a leak right there. We know we got a leak so far. We got one, boss. I don't see no more. I don't see no more. We're gonna try the rim just to make sure we don't see no leaks around the rim. We don't see no leaks nowhere else. Get that stem too, because a lot of times them stems be leaking. Them stems will leak on you. Nope, we don't see no more holes, man. That's where it's from right there. That's where it's from right there, so. Now we gotta get that nail out. Yeah, get that nail out of there. We gonna prepare everything else to go in first. So in this case, we're just gonna plug the tire. We're gonna plug the tire. So let's get everything lined up, ready to plug the tire, because we already see what's going on. Hey, normally I have gloves, man. I ran out of them. I gotta shoot the AutoZone. Grab me some more gloves. I hate working with my hand, really, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, man. You gotta, when you busting it out like me, sometimes washing your hands is just the best option. You gotta feed that through there. This is actually the plug, man. This is the plug that we're gonna plug the tire with. This is the tool that they use. We gotta put this in this hole, man. So when we push it down in there, this is gonna take it down into the tire. I don't know if sometimes it'd be hard to get it in there, but just flatten it out. There we go. Do what I do. I use these most of the time just to pull it on through. My hand be too slippery. Like that. Like that. You want both sides sticking out pretty much evenly. So yeah, this is ready to go into the tire. We're gonna put a little lube on this. That's all we need, not too much. Sitting that off to the side, that's ready to go. Now we just gotta, you see that? That's where it's at, y'all. It's creating bubbles. Now we just gotta get this nail out. Gotta get the nail out. This be the hardest part to me, man, sometimes. Actually getting it out. There we go, it's coming out. It's coming out. Woo! Yes, sir. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but there was a nail in there. Take the one that we lubed up, find the hole again. Get him on in there. It's really just creating a hole for that plug. Yes, sir. Take that plug. We got him. We got him. I don't know if y'all can see it at first, but this was the nail that was stuck. It was stuck inside the tire, man. We got that out. We plugged it. Let's see if it's leaking. Put a little water on it. See if it's leaking. There's no leaks. I don't see no bubbling up. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a little bit of the we're gonna cut a little bit of this off. Like that. Cut a little bit. That's enough right there, man. Just make sure it ain't leaking. We all good to go. Back to business. Let's put this bad boy back on. Put this bad boy back on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, don't never put on no lug nuts or no screw. Do not start it with no power tool. Because if you end up starting it incorrectly, you will strip the whole entire boat, man. So you don't want to do that. You want to hand put them on first. Put them on by hand first. Put them on by hand. We ain't gonna speed nothing up. This is real time, baby. We got them on by hand. Got them on started. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it. You see how I did it in the cross pattern? You don't want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to go boop, boop. So that part is centered and tight. Boop, 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 boop. And then you cross them. Then you cross them. You can take this jack. Take this jack from up out of here. Yo, so we knocked that out, man. That was quick and fun. Hey, y'all gonna learn, man. Y'all might not be there yet, but it's gonna be best that y'all learn stuff that y'all can do at y'all spot, man. Cause just imagine, right? Today is Sunday. This car finna go back out. I don't know if a tire shop is really open, you know? Like I had to bust it out myself. So that little 30 bucks that I spent on that kit on Amazon just came in handy. You get what I'm saying? It's just little handy stuff you're gonna learn to do as you go on, man. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. I hope this was helpful to y'all. If y'all can grow with me, subscribe, like. If not, man, I get it. I understand. You ain't for me, I ain't for you. I get it. But if you is rocking, then we could probably grow together, man. I'm recording. I ain't putting the camera down. No, y'all done woke up a beast. And I got info for y'all. Let's get it.